Because of the failures of the central figures, God's work to lay the foundation for the Messiah had to be conducted 3 times. The third attempt was in Abraham's time, yet even this was prolonged when he failed in the symbolic offering. God regarded Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob as the same person with respect to his will, even though they were 3 different individuals. If the foundation for the Messiah was successfully established, then why wasn't the Messiah born at that time? By Abraham's time, fallen people had already built up satanic nations, which could have easily overpowered Abraham's family. The Messiah would not have been protected by a family-level foundation. A sovereign state was needed to cope with the nations of the satanic world. But before, Isaac's descendants had to leave their homeland and suffer in a foreign land for 400 years, as a penalty for Abraham's mistake. Despite their suffering in Egypt, they would flourish and consolidate as a people. They would return to Canaan and build the national foundation for the Messiah, as a sovereign nation, prepared for the Messiah and his work.